mapapansin ka. Kaya naman, here are our future actresses of the year.
For New Movie Actress of the Year, Joribel Aguto, Tether. Ashley Diaz, Mary Cherry Chua. Aya Fernandez, Rookie. Zainab Harake, Kampon. Cassie Legaspi, When I Met You in Tokyo. Isabel Ortega, Firefly. Aisel Serrano, Love You Long Time. And Pat Tingjuy, Rookie. And the star goes to Isabel Ortega for Firefly.
Presenting the trophy for the PMTC is Benny Andaya.
Hello po, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Of course, thank you so much PMTC po for this recognition. And gusto ko lang po i-share, very sentimental po itong stage na to kasi dito po ako nag-graduate ng high school. And hindi ko po natapos yung graduation ko noon kasi may taping ako. And I remember that was during my very first year of being an actress. And now, 9 years later, ngayon tinatanggap ko naman yung very first award ko for my very first film. So, thank you so much to, of course. Kinakabahan po. Sorry. So, of course, thank you so much po to GMA Pictures. Of course, Miss Nessa, Miss Ange, Sir Bats, who is also here. And of course, to my co-actors, si Yuen, of course. Congratulations then, Yuen. Of course, kila Sir Epi Quizon, Miss Yaya Aguila, of course, Miguel. Ang dami ko pong natutunan sa kanila, so thank you so much. And of course, oo nga, nanginginig po yung boses ko, pasensya. Of course, to my GMA bosses po, Miss Annette, Miss Joy, my manager, Sir Da, Miss Mean, Ate Dayan, and of course, kila Miss Lilibet po, Miss Gigi, Miss Helen, who have all trusted me. Thank you so much. Of course, gusto ko rin patiin po yung mga former managers ko who also was a part of my journey. So, Tito Ojivias, of course, Captain Luz, kay Nanay Lolit, and kay Tito Gorgie who have guided me also along the way. So, maraming salamat po. Of course, Mama, who's here, thank you so much for all of your support. Kay Papa, kay Daddy, maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal. Of course, once again, PMTC, thank you so much for this award. I am very grateful po. And patuloy ko pong pagtatrabahuhan ang craft ko. And patuloy ko pong gagalingan. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
To present the awards for male and female shining personalities of the night, please welcome the VP Admin and Finance of IntelliBuilders and